Hi, good evening. Welcome to WealthMills Securities Weekly Market Wrap. Wishing you all our investors, a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Of course, in stock markets, Diwali plays a very vital role in terms of the market mood and sentiment is concerned. What we have been observing in the market have very least expectations on earnings of quarter 2 results are concerned, but what we have been observing is the results of all the companies that have declared till date. It can be in financial services, banking, it can be in auto, all the companies, even in retail as well as consumption, all the companies, majority of the companies' results declared till date are more than the expectations of the market, especially in auto. If you see, the results of Maruti Suzuki is concerned are way above the expectations of the markets are concerned. That's why people who are negative about auto sectors, but if you see the performance of companies in auto sector, especially stock like Maruti, it has risen from 5,500 today at 7,400 levels. So, by and large, the company results that declared in quarter 2, which we witnessed a slowdown in the economy, and the GDP of the economy came down to nearly 5.5 levels. But in those very turbulent times of the market, companies have come up with good results and more than expected results in the market. It's a very positive indication. If in the days to come, if the economy rises and if the growth rate touches 7% and above, companies' earnings can expand further in the days to come with the rate cut of tax that government have given to the corporates. So we need to watchful in the days to come. It's a very positive indication. And in terms of the good news that has come this week is concerned, in the World Bank Ease of Doing Business Index, India has risen from a rank of 142 to 63rd place. And the news what we are getting is government is getting and having a target to take Indian economy in terms of ease of doing business index is concerned. Current 63rd place to government is targeting by 2024 and 25. The government is targeting to be in top 25. So the ranks won't go up like that. Government has to do a lot of measures in terms of the taxation, in terms of the rules to establish businesses in India and to run businesses in India. It gives a very positive indication to the global investors to invest in Indian businesses as well as Indian markets are concerned in the days to come. It's a very positive indication, and if government can do in next by 2025 to be in 25th ranking of ease of doing business index, it's going to be a very good indicator for Indian stock markets are concerned in the days to come. And also, as we are all celebrating the Diwali, as you are aware, every financial advisory company gives the Diwali stocks for Diwali is concerned. But at WealthMills, we have a practice. We don't share any new stocks for Diwali as a practice. What we help the investors is always, before taking any new stock, check your portfolio. Always it better to invest in the existing portfolio rather than every time going for a new stock. So check it out in your portfolio and observe the stocks, and the stock which is least risen or the stock which fallen more in your portfolio, try to buy those stocks from this Diwali, because it's always better to buy what you hold rather than going for a new stock. This is our message for all our investors at WealthMills Securities. And also what we are observing is in the markets, the large cap stocks are going up and mid and small cap stocks are still not moving. And if we observe right now, everybody talking about large caps. Before last Diwali and before last two Diwalis, people were chasing mid and small caps. Now the flavor and the mood in the market is changed and they are talking about large cap. Our wish and our advice to investors is, if you have quality mid and small cap stocks in your portfolio, try to buy them more, average them more if they come down, and in the days to come, probably by next Diwali, these mid and small caps stocks will perform well in your portfolio. This is our advice in terms of the mid and small cap stocks are concerned. And before last week, I shared about a company by name Pyramid Enterprises, where our investors have a significant interest in this stock. Last week, that stock touched a low of 1320 levels, and by last Thursday, the stock went up by nearly 1740 rupees. The stock has went up by nearly 10 to 15% in last 3 weeks. So what we as we advise it to our investors, when a quality stocks comes down, go and buy. And today, because of some announcement in the company have in their board meeting, they plan to raise a equity capital of nearly 5,800 crores in two tranches. One is by way of preferential allotment, and second one is by the way of rights issue to the existing investors. The price of rights issue to the existing investors to the tune of 3,600 crores around is fixed at 1,300 rupees, and for the preferential allotment, the price has been fixed at 1,510. Because of this reason, today the stock has nearly came down 15%. See, this is what happens. If a person or most of the investors, if they don't study the fundamentals of the company, there will be a panic. Always rights issue is a positive for the existing investors. The existing investors in that company is rewarding them. This offer is available for only for the existing investors. They can buy the stock at 1,300. They will get the allotment at 1,300 with a ratio. The ratio will be announced by the company in the days to come. So if you are existing investors, when the rights issue come, do subscribe for the rights issue, and this company, we are confident it's going to do well in the days to come. So I wish you all, once again, wishing you a happy Diwali to all our investors across the globe at various parts of the world, and I wish you and your family members a very prosperous Diwali. Thank you.